Hello friends, today we learn how to make YouTube video making stand for mobile. For making this project we need some components. Mixture of sand and cement, selfie stick, little piece of PVC pipe. Now start to make. Put PVC pipe in cement. Now put some water and mix it. Now leave it for 24 hours. You can see it's make very hard and heavy support for our selfie stick. Now put selfie stick on PVC pipe, like this. Now add mobile on stand, like this. Project is ready for your test. You can adjust it as your demand. Thanks for watching. If you like our videos, so please tell in comments. And don't forget to subscribe our channel.